So we're gonna make a kale salad with some carrots, some cucumber. We're gonna put some quinoa with the raw vegetables.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make a mango and coconut ceviche with no fish. You know, so the first thing, and then we're gonna make a passion fruit juice.
Okay.
Yeah, the green coconuts, this is the young coconut, is this one. Yeah, so for drinking, this one is lighter, because the one, the dry coconut, which is the probably you've seen probably that is brown on the outside.
That's the dry,
This is the dry one. This one, the mature, this is good for cooking. So for example, if you make coconut milk to cook with this, there's not gonna be no flavor. And if you drink the water of the mature coconut, it's gonna be heavy for the stomach.
Yeah.
So for fasting and drinking in the morning and cleansing, the young one. To cook,
Adrián, ¿los cocos tienen agua?
¿sí?
¿Puedo agarrarlo?
Claro que sí.
Gracias.
¿Qué parte de Panamá?
Ay, qué rico.
¿Sí?
Soy colonense.
Ok, de Colón. Ok.
It's good?
Totally good.
Good?
Yes,
Yeah?
From the one we had yesterday.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, this is sweet. Yeah. You know, I had to beg.
There's more?
The sweet one.
I'm in the short
See, it's actually not like the one from yesterday better.
I don't think this one is sweet.
That's exactly right. So
That one was all done.
Yeah, I can just let me show that you can do the difference.
You can show them. This one younger,
You
one
thought
mature.
this shell is softer than this one.
oh yeah.
So you know the harder the coconut gets.
Wasting coconut water.
I seen.
Courage.
That's not it.
Oh really?
This one. Cucumba, 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 and ginger.
Yeah, that's
Then, okay. And you keep the seeds?
Yes.
In here?
Yes.
You have to do this? Nice, right?
It does feel good.
Did you ever do this? It's for good.
Third eye activated.
Yep.
Yes.
I don't know. This way? Like this? Okay.
And I think you're so lucky to have all this wonderful produce at your fingertips, right? And then
Oh, yeah.
people are still eating not like processed food, right? Fried food. It's like amazing, the produce.
You know, unfortunately, I think, when people sometimes we give things for granted.
Oh yeah.
You know, so you are close from your family, you don't want to see them.
Uh-huh.
When you are far from your family, it's like, oh no, I miss them.
Yep.
You live by the ocean. You go to the ocean.
Yeah.
Learning one thing that you have to be in the ocean.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, I see people wasting the coconuts in the yard.
But look at the jackfruit tree right there. The jackfruit just spoiling and rotting. And then the guy, he doesn't understand me because I was going to ask him to cut one for me.
Uh-huh.
So we can eat it. They just drop it on the ground. They just drop and spoil. Until they cut it, then it's not
I want to show you the other one.
Yeah, they spoil. I asked him that, but he doesn't understand me. So
It was one hanging real low at the bottom.
I think that's the one he's saying is a big one.
But they just my little
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah.
To show this. This is
Whoa.
the biggest jackfruit I ever seen. It's
Wow.
wild.
Now, does it still taste good when it gets that big, or does it get a little funky?
Same flavor,
Same flavor.
but this one is not ready to eat. This one is ready to cook,
But not ready.
but not to eat.
It's heavy.
You can see my arms are shaking.
Yeah.
I want a picture of
They hear
it.
vein popping out. Yeah.
Is that heavy?
¿Lo vas a llevar a la casa? Sí, porque se van a podrir aquí.
Ah, yo me lo llevaría todo.
Oh, wait, I want to
Okay.
see them. I don't
They
know.
probably
Is jackfruit
don't.
also known as
Yeah.
breadfruit?
No.
Oh,
It's two
just
different
jackfruit.
Two different ones. I love breadfruit. Oh man.
Anything
Did
else?
we have breakfast
What
the
about
other day?
No, it's not in season.
What did we have the other day that was like potato-like?
Yuca.
Oh, okay.
Yucca is cassava.
Okay.
Breadfruit is breadfruit. It has a-
Oh, this one's you.
what's that?
You know
Oh,
your
no.
way around the mango better.
I'll eat them.
Okay, can you demo the way, because I know that it's kind of like, you just want me to peel it, or you want me to go around the seed?
Fair just to peel.
I told you. That's why I told you to cut it in half. If you look over here, you can't really see it either. You can see it.
Now I'm gonna have
Straight ahead.
I'm gonna be full.
You see it good over there.
The mango, the coconut, chop some onions,
Okay.
and some
I like the other one before. I didn't see what they were saying. I like
See it?
but I just saw it. It looks great. And then I guess my mouth is like.
That's what you do for the comfy.
Yeah, but see, I think it's worth it. Like, when you put a little rough, you strict like a bit.
Yeah, that's good.
In a good way.
That's real good. See, they just posted posted this camp.
Okay.
I was like, you guys said it's June 22nd to July, and it's free.
Yeah.
So I'm like, I'm gonna
And
apply.
it's got music.
Oh yeah, look at
Oh,
those.
look at that.
They do. They do.
Oh my God, they mine's already full. What's your take on the coconut water from the widow?
I like that one better than this one.
You did? Oh,
But
People now, people like to watch.
Yeah, it's good so people know that what you're doing,
Exactly.
that you're here, that you have these services. Soap, and I'm like, I don't see that.
I love cilantro.
Me too. And then after the deep drop of low energy, then I started to feel a lot of higher energy more into my body. I started to lose more weight as well. I lost 20 pounds in the last year from just changing my diet. But I ate a lot of tofu, a lot of beef. You don't like tofu? Depends on how you make it.
Yeah. You don't put any flavor tofu?
Yeah, you gotta make it good.
Yeah.
So what? Nelson na nakikita ko sa Australia. I'm telling you. That was close. That was What's the coconut for? Hydration?
Dressing.
Oh, dressing. Oh, beautiful. That's good. I like that a lot.
Relax.
Mm.
You all relax.
So I can get the content. I'm gonna come down. I said I think I walked into a spider web.
Still on the end. The stairs is
There's a time and place
It smells so good.
for everything.